My name's Elise, and welcome to my channel, Create More. Here at Create More, we do a wide variety of tutorials, challenges, and vlogs surrounding all things art like drawings, crochet, and more. If any of this interests you, please consider watching my videos and subscribing to the channel. I post once a week on Sundays, so make sure that you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!